Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change default notification sound and haptics on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down a little and click sounds and haptics. And here we have 8 settings. Let's try to change it. For example, go to reminder alerts. And here you can change sound on your choice. You also can change haptics. For example, you can click accent, alert, heartbeat, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.